These helpless kitties got left all alone until a woman found them under piles of garbage. So she decided to take them all with her, even though she had nowhere to put them. The next day, she bought tons of supplies and got to work. She started to build a modest but practical little house for the poor kitties to live in. While building, the kitties went to check up on her and support her. As it got darker and colder, she decided to lay out some straws for warmth and cushioning. Soon enough, it got pitch black and it started raining, so she rushed to finish the little walls of the house. She even built a small patio and a roof so the cats can relax and get some fresh air while staying dry. Doesn't she deserve a like?